Hi, I'm Miss Weaver. A little bit about myself. I have a degree from Texas A&M University in psychology with a minor in philosophy, and I have a BSED in math education from the University of Central Oklahoma. I love living in Virginia. Hiking is one of my favorite things to do. We have local hikes here that are great, 15 minutes from school, and we have even better hiking in under an hour away if you're ready to head out into the Appalachians. I love audiobooks, so you can always ask me what I'm listening to now. And I love my family. I have been married 30 years this January. I have 3 adult daughters in their 20s, and they have given me my first 2 grandbabies. So I am all about family and absolutely love spending time with them over summer. I'm happy to be here at John Champ. It's been a great experience, and I'm looking forward to having you in my classroom this year. One of my favorite quotes I shared here on the slide: if you are willing to do today what others won't, you'll be able to do tomorrow what others can't. We're building skills, life skills, math skills, important things that are going to move us into the lives that we want going forward. And so you'll see I love inspirational quotes, and happy to share that's one that's foundational to me, where you've got to put in the work. This year, we're excited to have activity buses or late buses that'll be running, and that is going to be on Tuesday and Wednesday. And so I'll be offering office hours after school this year, or tutorials available on Tuesday and Wednesday, the day that we'll have activity buses running late. So I will be offering those from 4:20 to 5 p.m. If you need extra help or support, I hope you'll plan to come see me then. I teach geometry. Geo means earth and metra means measure, and geometry gives us the tools to answer some of life's biggest questions. Years ago, when they wanted to know how tall was a mountain, how far were we from the sun, it was geometry they turned to for the tools to make those calculations for indirect measurement. It's applicable when we want to build a new deck, when we want to do projects around the house, and so it's one of our most easily applied maths and a lot of fun. As far as supplies, you'll want a binder with dividers to organize your handouts. We'll be handing out notes and classwork, quizzes, and tests, and so you'd like to keep those organized so that you can refer back to them. So you will need something that has a 3-hole punch to hold them in, and the dividers will just help you access the things you want more quickly. Math teachers love pencils. One of my new favorites, though, if you're not a pencil person, are erasable colored pens, such as the friction ones. It's really cool. You just heat them up and erase, and they're pretty fabulous these days. Also, we need highlighters to mark asymptotes and in key parts of our graphs, and so they have erasable highlighters now too. It's a wonderful world we live in. Thin markers will work as well, so that's an option. And of course, you'll need your charged Chromebook, because we're going to use the Desmos calculator frequently, as well as accessing Schoology, quizzes, and lots of other digital tools to enhance our learning. I teach math analysis as well, and I'm excited about that. We're going to take everything you've learned up to this point and take it a little bit further. So extending some of the units that you just got a taste of last year in Algebra 2 Trig. Looking forward to doing challenging math and moving into calculus by the end of the year. Math analysis will need the same materials as geometry, with the additional option of purchasing a TI-84 Plus CE calculator for home use. We will have a classroom set. It's in school bus yellow for you to use here at school. But remember that you will have to provide your own calculator for college entrance exams, and so this might be a good time to pick one up. Although many of the things that we'll need to do functionally on a calculator you can do with your Desmos calculator, but there are some little things that'll be slightly different. So that's the one we're recommending and we'll teach in class. If you already have an Inspire calculator, that's fine. If you have other calculator questions, let me know, but a home device might be helpful. This might be the time to get it. And I just want to close by talking about why I teach. I do have a degree in psychology. I love and care about the development of healthy human beings. And so getting to combine my love of people and development with my love of mathematics makes education a great fit for me. I'm inspired by the math we do, and know that education gives us the skills we need to build a meaningful life and to provide for ourselves and to make contributions to make the world a better place. Engineering strong buildings, solving problems. I love it all, and I hope you have a great year in my classroom.